All right, it's Friday, November 29th. Just wanted to follow up on Meta. You can see it's moving up nicely higher towards our very big picture target up here at 577.50. I discussed how I bought it here at the low blue line. I've been scaling out along the way. On the daily chart, after that initial move up, you kind of expected the pre-market highs to be taken out, and then yesterday's high. Once you get a two-up day, and now you're looking towards that 577.50 area, which it's just about to hit now as our two-up target on the day. So a lot of kind of pinball action where one little target leads to the next, leads to the next, leads to the next, and it's moving higher. I've been scaling out along the way. Bought Meta at 572.94, as described in the first video. I scaled out at 574.13 at the pre-market highs. I scaled out some more at 575. I sold some more at 576.70. So overall, very good trade on Meta this morning, moving higher towards its target up here, the upper blue line. Again, the overall context I like is the monthly chart is closing green here. So to me, this is just 2 months of consolidation in an overall uptrend. You're expecting at some point that uptrend to continue. You have the two-up week, ending the week here close to green. So that means likely you're going to follow through higher into next week a little bit, and that sets the tone for a compound move back to those red bar highs where you kind of made lower lows, and then you get a two-up bar. You're going to close strongly green with a little follow-through. So you're kind of looking now in compound fashion. Can you get up to the high of that consolidation area overall that's been unfolding on the weekly chart? And then the daily chart had a nice, red bar pause in this uptrend, and then you start above the midpoint of that bar and good opening price action to start higher. So on the 15-minute chart, all kinds of ways to either buy it aggressively here on bar one after making a new high, or I kind of watched it and saw the consolidation here, and I like that for continuation higher. So obviously buying at the low blue line, you can see here within the next 45 minutes we've worked up towards pretty much the key targets on the week, and now you're just going to have to see directionally do you get a pause up in this area, which could be likely, or if it's orderly you might get another push up there, or you're going to break right through it. We're obviously breaking through it right now. So you kind of watch price action at this inflection point. You can see it here, and then we see if we get a pause here on the day and then maybe continue higher, or does it just slice right through it? But, good trade buying it here at the low blue line, just following up on Meta here on November 29th.